Hey YouTube, it's Shibley J. It's been a few months since we knocked up those cakes and the block. It's time to put them in the fruiting, but before that, we need a fruiting chamber. That's what we're doing today. As you can see, there are several holes going across the way. Inch and a half off the bottom and another inch and a half up from the next one are holes that are about just under a half inch apiece when they're going across the entire way. It's not pretty, but it'll definitely work. If you want to be anal about it, go ahead and take a ruler and a Sharpie. But as long as it works, it's all that matters. I'm going to clean this up so there's no leftover plastic hanging off the edges and get ready for the next step. Next step is completely optional. You can do this simply by misting with a spray bottle and fanning it with the lid. But 2 holes through the lid, one for the meter and one for the outlet hose. Alright folks, we're sitting at 84% currently. The max is supposed to be about 95%. The humidity sensor is right above most of the air holes right here to get a lower reading and closer to accurate at said level. Right inside there is the lion's mane block from the previous video. Go watch that. Hopefully in about a week we will have some edible mushrooms to eat. Like, share, subscribe please if you found this useful. See you at the next one.